Hello everyone, so this is I want to introduce my friend. This is Nadia. She's a sales associate.
Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to be a part of the team.
Welcome Nadia. We discussion on potential partnership with tech innovation.
Yes, we want to leverage the technology. What do you think, Nadia?
Yes, we should focus on how their teaching meets our customer needs. That will help in our sales strategy.
Good job Nadia. And Grab will be share budget details with you.
And I can provide insight into our current client.
That will be help a lot. I look forward to collaborating. Thank you, everyone.